Start. Hook. 15s. Hello, world. Welcome to this exciting episode with me, Alex CodeMaster. Today, I'm going to show you how mastering Python functions can revolutionize your business. Yes, you heard that right. Within the next few minutes, you'll learn a tool that is an absolute game changer. Introduction. 45s. But first, what are we talking about here? Python, the world's fastest growing and most popular programming language. And within Python, we're focusing on functions. Functions are reusable pieces of programs. They allow you to give a name to a block of statements, allowing you to run that block using the specified name anywhere in your program and any number of times. This is known as calling the function. Why does it matter? Because understanding and using Python functions can save you hours every day, skyrocket your efficiency, and open up new avenues for income. And guess what? This is something that every entrepreneur, content creator, and tech enthusiast needs to know about. Demonstration. 6 to 7 meters. Alright, let's dive into it. Let me show you how these functions work in real time. Pause. Show code. Here's an example. Here's the code. Python def greet. Name. Print. F. Hello. Name. Quote. Greet. Alex. This is a simple function named greet that takes one argument, name. When we call this function with a name, it prints a greeting message for that name. As simple as that. Now, let's take a more complex example. Here's the code. Python def calculate underscore profit. Revenue. Cost. Profit equals revenue. Cost return profit print. Calculate underscore profit. 10,000. 5,000. This function calculates and returns the profit by subtracting cost from revenue. Now you try this. Create a function that calculates the tax for a given amount and a tax rate. Remember, practice makes perfect. And watch out for the indentation errors. It's a common mistake when defining functions in Python. Money-making application. 3 to 4 meters. Now let's talk money. Entrepreneurs, content creators, and tech enthusiasts, listen up. Mastering Python functions can save you a ton of time by automating repetitive tasks. Time is money, right? Let me show you how. Suppose you have an e-commerce store with hundreds of products, and you need to calculate the profit for each product. Without Python functions, you'd manually subtract the cost from the revenue for each product. But with a Python function like calculate underscore profit we just created, you can automate this whole process in minutes. Now, imagine saving that amount of time every day. Comparison. 1 meter. Compared to other programming languages, Python stands out because of its simplicity and readability. The function syntax in Python is user-friendly and easy to understand, which makes it a clear winner for beginners and experts alike. Wrap up. 1 meter. So there you have it. Mastering Python functions can not only make your coding life easier but also bring significant efficiency to your business operations. The future of work is here, my friends. And those who master these skills now will be the leaders of tomorrow. Your next step? Practice. Write more functions. Make mistakes. Learn from them. And write again. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to stay updated on more such future-proofing content. Remember, coding is not just for programmers anymore. It's becoming an essential skill for everyone. Stay curious. Keep learning. And I'll see you in the next video. End.